Do you want to turn your video lighting setup from this to this? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, this is James and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your video lighting setup like this one with a minimal lighting gears. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. As always, I will start with a blank canvas so that you can know which light is doing what. Currently I haven't turned on any lighting, so it will look very dark. So if I turn on my key light, so here I have turned on my key light and it is a very basic LED key light. You can use any light that you have. It doesn't matter which light you use. The most important part is how you use the lights. It doesn't matter which light you have. You just need to have a key light that is powerful enough to light up your face. So currently the light is directly facing up to my face and it is looking like this, but we don't want that look. You can see the shadow is very harsh, right? Here you can see the shadow is very harsh, and if you're using a COB light, chip on board light, then it will look more harsh, right? So you want to soften the light a little bit. How you can do that? You can use different modifier. As I'm working on a small space, I don't have that luxury to place a modifier wherever I want. What I will do, I will just bounce back the light to make it a little bit soft. So if I just change the direction of the light towards my wall, just like that, so it is not directly hitting up my face, it is bouncing off the wall and then it is coming towards my face, and that is looking way more better, right? You can see the light is very soft and there isn't any hot spot on my face, just because the light is not directly blowing up my face. It is just reflecting the light and the source got a lot bigger. If I use the light directly on my face, the light source is so small and it will look harsh. So whenever you will reflect the light source will become a little bit bigger and it will not make any impact on your face. You will not see any harsh hot spot. So make sure you use your wall. If you don't have any modifier to soften up the light, just use the wall, whatever wall you want to use, and make sure the color of the wall is white, because if you have a colored wall, then the light will change its signature. It will change the color, right? It will not look good. So whenever you are reflecting, use a white wall or white reflector. And now the second part, you can see I am wearing a black t-shirt and the background is also dark, so there isn't any separation between me and the background. So I will separate myself from the background using a hair light or kicker light, right? So I'll just turn on my hair light. Now I have turned on my hair light and you can see it is looking way more better, right? So it is just separating me from the background. You can see here is a light ray and again here is a light ray, and it is separating me from the background so that I don't mix with the background. So make sure to use a kicker light or hair light so that you can separate yourself. So you can use this look if you want. If you are satisfied with this look, I don't mind if I have to use this one. I'll definitely use that, but I'll spice up the scene a little bit more because I have the component. So I will just turn on my computer. So here you can see the computer is making some interest here on this side, and whenever I'm lighting myself, I like to use the layering, right? So here you can see there is a dark portion, then light portion, again dark portion, again my face is a little bit light up, and again dark portion. So I'll mix the shadow and highlights whenever I use the lighting. So I have just turned on this light here because I have used a warm light for my hair light, and I want to motivate this lighting using that one, so that whoever watching my video will understand there is a yellow light and the light is coming from there, right? I haven't used a separate light. That is the illusion. Whenever you are using some sort of fake lighting, or if you want to manipulate your audience, you need to use practical lighting to motivate that light. So that is looking perfect, and I think this section is a little bit darker, so I'll use another light to light up this section. So I have used another light to light up this section, and I have used a cool tone light there because I have used a warm tone for my hair light and I want to separate the background from myself. That is why I have used another tone light for the background. So that is the final look, and let me know in the comment section below how does it is looking. If you want to achieve this kind of lighting, you can use any light that you have. You don't need to use the exact light that I have used. So that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and if you want to see more this kind of video, then you can let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.